Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, views and maps. Before entering into the topic, we have a puzzle in the front page, solve that puzzle. We have a mouse and we have to help the mouse to reach the ice cream. We have 4 paths and choose the correct path for the rat to reach the ice cream. Now Rajiv comes back from the school and he looks at a car near to his house. He looks at the front view of the car. Any object that is viewed from the front is the front view of the car. He moved towards the side of the car. Now he looks at the side view of the car. Any object that is viewed from the side is the side view of the car. Rajiv's father is looking the car from the first floor. He is looking at the top view of the car. Any object that is viewed from the top is the top view of the car. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.1. The first problem is observe the pictures carefully. Identify whether they show the top, side or front view. The first picture is a car. The car is in side view. So the answer is side. Next, the picture is umbrella. Umbrella is in top view. So the answer is top view. The next picture is a cat. The cat is in front view. So the answer is front view. Look at the picture of a monkey. Write the correct view under the picture. The first picture is it is in the front view. The monkey's view is front view. In the second picture, the monkey's view is side view. In the next picture, the monkey's view is front view. Only the neck and the face of the monkey is down. It is also front view of the monkey. The fourth question is draw the top view of the given object next to them. The first picture is bucket. Now we are going to draw the top view of the bucket. The top view of the bucket will be in round shape. The top view of the bucket will be in circle. Next, we are going to draw the top view of the notebook. The top view of the notebook will be just a rectangle. This will be the top view of the notebook. The sixth question is the picture shows the top view of the classroom. We can see the picture here. We have to circle the teacher. If you are having your book, take your max book and circle the teacher. The second question is where is the blackboard? Tick the correct option. To the right of the teacher, to the left of the teacher. We can see that in the right hand teacher is having the book and to the right there is a wall, but to the left we can see the blackboard. So the answer is to the left of the teacher. Draw the side view of the teacher's table. This will be the legs of the table. This will be the side view of the teacher's table. The next question is, if a glass is kept on teacher's table, how will it appear from the top? First, let us draw the top view of the table. The top view of the table will be in rectangular shape. When a glass is kept on the table, the top view will be like this. That is, the glass is in the shape of cylinder. So, the top view of the cylinder will be in the shape of round. Thank you, students.